What's going on, Credit Sniper? Your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the Credit Assassins and the best credit blueprint. Guys, hey, today I want to talk to you about something that's going on in the world. I want to go ahead and actually weigh in into what's going on. I believe usually I don't like to talk about politics or religion, two subjects that you will not hear me talk about. But I want to go ahead and talk to you about what I believe going on the other side of the world. Russia's war with Ukraine may affect the way we do business going forward, may affect your credit, specifically if you don't find yourself where you want to be today. Because there's another thing weighing in the Congress with President Biden trying to pass the bill in which he wants to shut down the credit bureaus and pass everything into the CFPB. Guys, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. This is the channel in which you learn how to build your credit, personal credit, and your business as well. Guys, before I continue, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure that you subscribe, click on that bell icon, click on all, so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. And guess what, guys? It is on the daily basis. At the same time, guys, give me the thumbs up. If you find this content valuable, something that brings to you and try to change your life, try to increase your credit score and your credit report, guys, let others see it as well. And the way you're gonna help me doing that is by giving me the thumbs up. That's gonna allow me to get into the algorithm and hack the algorithm. Remember, we hacked everything. So we hacked the algorithm so that we get in front of people, and like that they could also benefit from this content, guys. But let's continue about what I believe is going on over there. So you got to think about Russia right now is one of the powerhouses in the world. Russia is a major producer of oil and natural gas in Europe. Not only that, it's a major exporter for food in Europe as well. They are the major exporter in the world of wheat. So you got to think about right now what's going on over there. The sanctions are not only the United States and all the other countries in Europe have placed on Russia because of the war going on with Ukraine. This is affecting a lot of the neighboring countries, because you have to think about too, Russia is one of the major suppliers of natural gas for Europe. So even though the United States doesn't import much oil from Russia, the United States does import commodities from around the world. And you have to think about a lot of countries do benefit from what Russia exports, which is oil, natural gas, and wheat. So as prices rises all around the world, prices will rise in the United States as well. Just last Thursday, a barrel of oil was about $105, which is now rising to $120, which we see in the prices rising on gas right now, vehicle gas, almost $4.50. Certain places are almost at $8. Soon enough, if something doesn't happen, we are going to be seeing, look, if things don't change, I'm telling you, it's going to be between $7 to $10 a gallon. But guys, this is where I want to come in. You need to get your credit right. Why is this? Because if, let's say something like this happen, inflation keeps going up, and all you have is cash and you are strapped. We all have the same job. That doesn't mean because inflation is going up, our jobs are going to go up, or our salary will go up and we're going to get paid more. No, that doesn't mean that. Now, if all you have is cash and that's what you'll be living on, and now the price of living is, or the cost of living is rising, guess what, guys? You are really going to find yourself in a bind, especially if Biden gets his way and actually moves the credit bureaus to the CFPB. Don't get me wrong, the credit bureaus are very corrupt. I know President Biden believes that there's a lot of racism, discrimination going on a lot in within the credit bureau. So this is why he wants to go ahead and pass it to the CFPB, which is a neutral type of entity, and is a government entity, which I don't know if it's going to be any better. But with that said, what you have to think about is right now we know the game. Right now, this is what we put together, what's called the best credit blueprint. Right now, we know the ins and outs with all the credit bureaus. What we don't know is what's gonna happen once it gets to the CFPB. We will learn it over time. But if you are right now 720, even 730s or below, guys, it is going to be very hard for you to remove anything, any collections, bankruptcies, inquiries, you name it. Something that you have to think about is do not wait. Don't let something happen. Don't go back to this video months down the line and say, I should have done something. Be one of those that take charge of your own credit, your own future, guys. Because let's just say cost of living rises. If you have credit, why not use the credit? This is why it's called OPM, other people's money. Let it use, because that's what credit is there for. And if we really go into a bind into the country, inflation goes up to the roof, guess what, guys? You actually will have more wiggle room than a lot of other people that don't have the credit right now, and all they have to work is on their working cash and daily salaries. So guys, take charge. You never know what's gonna happen. This is how I believe Russia could affect our economy and our credit. So guys, it's your credit, it's your future, it's your legacy. How you wanna play it? And let's just say nothing happened, and really prices really don't go up, or Russia's war just ends tomorrow. Who knows? But at the same time, you also have the ability to change your narrative, change the narrative of your future. If you are in that position right now, guys, this is why I put this together. This is called the best credit blueprint, because I was fed up with the situation not being able to get credit. And this is why today I have one of the highest credit scores in the United States. So guys, 800, this is where you want to be. Anything over 781, you are golden. You are look at different, especially when you get lending, when you get APRs, interest rates, you name it. Not only that, you have to think about your credit affects your ability to get a home, a car, a boat, a job, utilities, guys, cell phones. All of this is looked at whenever you're actually trying to get any of these goods. So guys, it is your job and your responsibility to change the narrative, like I said before. So guys, let us help you. Anyway, if you guys wanna weigh in into this content, I just want to go ahead and throw this out there. I know people have been asking me, what do you think about the Russia's war? What do you think is going to affect our credit? It's going to affect the economy. Yeah, it's affecting the economy. Is it going to affect our credit? Probably not. But why not fix your credit? Because you never know how our economy could go. You don't know how our cash can go, if it's going to be enough. I mean, if we see $8, $9, $10 gallon gas, not many people are going to have the ability to drive, because you're going to have to choose either eating or driving. You're going to see a lot of people walking, that's for sure. Now guys, I don't want you to be one of those to have to choose one or the other, because obviously, you know, we kind of used to a lifestyle. The lifestyle we have actually serves us well. And this is why we're one of the main powers of the world. This is the United States. So guys, hey, let me know what you think. Let me know your comments. Make sure you put them in the bottom. I just want to make sure that I bring something to you that came to mind, some of the research that I did. But I want to go ahead and talk to you. Hey, make sure you engage with me. Let me know what you think, how we can move forward, any other advice that you have for the community. But I love that you guys were here today. This is your first time. Make sure that you give me a comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post on your content. Give me the thumbs up, guys, because that's going to help me out as well to bring this value, this content to many, many more people. Thank you for your time. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I am the Credit Assassin, and I'll see you in the next video.